Hi, I'm Sonny's cuckoo bird. Hi, a lucky leprechaun. And today, me and lucky leprechaun going to see Despicable Me 4 in theaters. Welcome to IMAX in theaters. What movie do you like to see? I have 2 tickets to Despicable Me 4. Bring some french fries, chicken nuggets, Coca-Cola, popcorn, and Reese's candy. Okay, every $20. Enjoy the movie.
The question, who will Groot be tonight? That's the question. Hey, what are you hiding? What you doing when you go? Nothing wrong being proud.
Oh my god, I hate the ugly Despicable Me 4. That's it. I'm going to poop on the screen. Sitching, how do you poop on a screen while we're watching Despicable Me 4? That's it. We are calling our parents. No. Hello, is Mom and Dad and Adelaide Chang. His son poop on the screen while we're watching Despicable Me 4. Please ground her for us. Sitching did what? Oh my god. Thanks for telling me. You're going to so grounded for this. Sitching. How dare you poop on the screen while Lucky Leprechaun, Sonny's Cooper, watching Despicable Me 4. You are not allowed to do that at all. But, Mom and Dad Adelaide Chang. Nope, sorry, I'm not going to cut it. You are grounded for 100,000 years. Go to your room now. Never come out to eat dinner's ready. Welcome to Spunky Picklets Pizza Producer Paradise. I help you find some pepperoni pizza for tonight. Okay, coming right up. Oh, heck no. I don't like going to Spunky Picklets Pizza Producer Paradise. Nope, too late. You eating right now. No, I want a Gus Games to Grub. You are not going to the Gus Games and Grub. We having foods on the plate. Eat it. Now, I want that's going to flip over table in the garbage. Charlie, how do you flip a table? You making Cookie QR cry. That's it. You're grounded for 100,000 months. Let's go home now. Go to your room and go to sleep forever. No dessert for you. It's okay, Cookie QR. You made him will be crying now. Give me back hug. Yeah, I like watching Looney Tunes back in action. Me too.